Good morning, children. Today is our new lesson. Open your Vikas English Conversation B. Open your this book, page number 5. Page number 5. Lesson number 3, Sounds of Animals. Sounds of Animals. Yes, children, tell me first how you are noise, how you are crying, how you are laughing. Yes, see, like this, you are doing now? Yes, when you are laughing, when you are crying, so many sounds came out, no? Yes, like this, some animals having some sounds. Okay, and on that sounds we got which animal is there, which animal's voice is coming. Okay, now see children, in this new lesson we learn about sounds of animals. Yes, so many animals are there and there so many sounds are there. Yes, now we have to see. See here, first one. Who is this? Yes, cat is there, no? Then what sound does a cat make? Do you know how cat makes sound? Yes, a cat mews. Do you know? No? Mew, mew, meow. Who is doing like this? Cat. What is the sound of cat? Meow, meow, meow. Yes, no? Yes, this is the sound of cat. Now see here. Who is this? Yes, monkey. What sound does a monkey make? A monkey make hoops. Hoop, hoop. Like this he is doing now. How is the sound of monkey? Hoop, hoop. Like this. Yes, no? This is the sound of monkey. Yes. Now here. What sound does a dog make? A dog barks. How he is bark? Boo, boo. Yes, no? Do you know how he is barking? Yes. Boo, boo, boo. Dog is doing boo, boo. We call for that sound bark. We call bark. Yes, now who is here? Yes, cow. What sound does a cow make? A cow moos. Mmm, mmm, moos. He's what she is doing? Moos. Hamba. She's doing no like this. Moos. Yes. Now here. Cock. What sound does a cock make? A cock make crows. Cuckoo-chkoo, cuckoo-chkoo. Do you know? Yes, this is the sound of cock. What sound does a goat make? A goat blits. Blits. Bah, bah. Yes, do you know children? Yes, this is the goat sound. Ma, ma, ma. She is doing. Yes, no? Now here. Oh, who is this? What sound does a donkey make? A donkey brass. Meh, meh. He's doing now? Yes. How's donkey's sound? Meh, 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 meh. He's doing now? Yes, this is the sound of donkey. This is the sound of donkey. Brace. Here, what sound does a sparrow make? A sparrow chip. Sparrow chip. Yes. Chew, chew, chew. She's doing now? Yes. We called for that sound chip. Okay. What sound does a lion make? A lion roar. Yes, everybody know how he's roaring. He's roaring, no? Like this. This sound is. Who is making this sound? Lion. Yes. Oh, crow. What sound does a crow make? A crow caws. A crow croaks. Cow, cow, cow. He's doing no? Yes. What sound does an elephant make? An elephant trumpet. We call for animals elephant sound trumpet. An elephant trumpet. Now here frog. What sound does a frog make? A frog croaks. 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 What sound does a frog make? A frog croaks. We are dealing no daraw, daraw, daraw. Like this, he is doing crows. We call for that sound crows. Yes. What sound does a duck make? Duck. This is duck. A duck quacks. Quack, 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 quack. He's doing no? Yes. A duck quacks. Quack, quack, quack. Like this, he is doing. Yes. What sound does a horse make? How a horse make? A horse neigh. You know? Horse sound? Yes. Anyone listen? Yes? No. What sound does a horse make? A horse neigh. Like this, horse is making sound. Understood, children? Now, what should have to do? You have to make your video. Okay? So, different sounds of animals and send me on WhatsApp. Okay? Yes? Done?